Without a doubt, Lombok has beautiful nature. Here, let me show you. You see, isn't this beautiful? And here's some more examples of the beauty of Lombok. Hello. So this is Cemara on the west coast of Lombok near the harbor Lembar. And Cemara is a famous place under local people because of the mangroves, and it's a place where they can chill and hang around like this. Hello. Chilling, relax. Senang, senang, senang.
Senang sekali.
Senang sekali ya.
Betul.
Hassan, where are we now?
Cemara.
Cemara.
Mangrove.
Mangrove.
Yeah.
You are working on a project here, or?
Yes, I'm involved here.
So what is the project?
Planting the mangroves. Yeah.
Planting the mangroves. Good information, thank you. Cemara is located on the west coast of Lombok, near Lembar, from where you can take the ferry to Bali. Originally, this place was a mangrove galore, until people decided it was the right spot to build shrimp farms and fish ponds. The mangroves were partially destroyed and flora and fauna was heavily affected. That's until this bold guy became Kapala Desa, head of the village. Together with locals, he wanted to restore the mangroves and make Cemara an ultimate hideaway for locals and foreigners. And Mr. Hassan is promoting local projects like these, which are set up by locals for the benefit of locals and the future of Lombok. Replanting the mangroves is one of those. Hello.
So we just pretend to plant. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Don't say it on the camera.
No, I will not say that. Yeah.
So we are trying to plant the mangroves here.
No, not trying. We will plant the mangroves.
We plant. Oh, it's real now.
No, not trying. Huh?
So this is the mangrove project Mr. Hassan is working on.
Yeah. It's good.
In
I
Cemara.
love this.
And it's beautiful.
I love the nature.
It's beautiful here. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the mangroves. Bismillah.
So if people want to do this, they need to bring
Their own seed.
their own seed. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good fun.
Yeah. So this place will be used to.
Yeah. To replant.
And it will be an island like this.
Yeah. In the future, to hope that this little mangroves would be like that in the future. Yeah. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we replant the mangroves. Yeah. Now we plant the mangroves. Yeah.